Alright, so today tornado sirens are going off because it's Wednesday, and I'm putting on my shoes right now so I can go outside and see the spin of the siren. They're just testing, it's not a real tornado. Oh my god, that is loud! Oh my god! That is loud! That is loud as crap whenever it faces here! Here it comes! Oh my god! Guys, I don't know if you know this, but that is loud whenever it gets over here. I don't even know if you can hear me. Here it comes! Stop spinning! That was crazy. I don't know why it stopped spinning at the end for a little bit. But, yes, it was just a test, it wasn't real. But, if a real one does come, then I will get my phone and I will record if it is a real one, because it's Wednesday, it's 12 o'clock, so they were just testing it. Sorry if I had the camera too close to my face whenever I was zoomed in. I forgot to zoom it out. But anyways, that's what a tornado siren sounds like if you all watch my videos and you don't know what a tornado siren sounds like. Oh God, it is hot out today. And I'm wearing black. So yeah, I am hot right now. But yeah. So, talk to you guys later. Peace.